Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through Mureka AI, an exciting tool that helps you create full AI generated songs complete with custom lyrics, vocals and melodies. If you're a beginner, don't worry, I'll break everything in this video step by step so you can start creating music with AI today. Let's dive right in. So what is Marika AI? Mureka is an AI music generator that lets you create songs by typing lyrics, choosing a music style, and even picking a virtual voice to sing your song. You can write custom lyrics, use reference tracks for inspiration, choose from a variety of AI voices, select music genres, instruments and vocal moods, generate full songs with vocals, instrumentals and downloadable stems. Pretty impressive, right? Let's take a look at how to get started. Once you log into Marika AI, you'll first see a pop-up introducing the custom vocals feature. This allows you to transform any voice into your track, including uploading your own voice if you're on the Pro plan. Let's explore some sample tracks to hear the results. Now let's click Try It Now to test the vocal generation feature. The first step is to enter your song lyrics. You can type your own or click Generate Random Lyrics to generate lyrics automatically. Let's go with the random option for now. Once generated, Marika also gives your song a title. If you want your song to follow the vibe of another track, you can upload a reference audio or paste a YouTube link. Keep in mind this feature is part of the Pro plan. But if you're on the free version, you can still choose from existing library samples. Let's pick a reference track from the library and move to the next step. Now let's pick a singing voice. You'll see a library of AI voices like Elara, Talia and more. Let's go with Elara for this one. Next, describe the music style you're going for. You can select genre, like R&B, pop, hip-hop, mood, energetic, sad, chill, vocal type, male, female. Let's choose genre pop, mood relaxed, vocal gender, female. You can also explore the basic and advanced tabs. The basic tab gives you quick presets, like powerful anthem or laid-back summer jam. The Advanced tab lets you control instruments, tempo and structure more deeply. Now it's time to hit Create and let Marika do its magic. It takes a minute or two and then your song is ready. Let's listen to the generated version. You'll get multiple takes and you can hit play to compare them. The results are surprisingly good. Once you're happy with the result, click the three dots next to your track. You can regenerate the track, extend it, download the MP3 stems or instrumental, publish it, or even get a commercial license with the plan. Let's quickly talk about pricing. Marika AI offers two main pricing plans, billed annually. Basic plan, $8 a month, 400 credits a month, good for up to 400 songs. Commercial license for each song, download MP3 files, priority in the generation queue, run up to 10 lots at once. Pro plan, $24 a month, 1,600 credits a month, up to 1,600 generated or edited songs. MP3, WAV, instrumental and stem downloads, commercial license included. Video downloads, early access to beta features like melody ideas, upload audio or YouTube links as reference tracks. Use any voice as your AI singer. Edit and extend specific regions of your generated song. So if you're just experimenting, the basic plan gives you everything you need. But if you're serious about producing high quality music or want full control, the Pro plan is where the magic happens. So that's your beginner's guide to Marika AI. Whether you're a musician, a content creator, or just someone curious about AI and music, Marika offers a fun and powerful way to create songs in minutes. Give it a try and see what kind of music you can make with AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.